Hey everybody, so I'm back and this time I'm at Target, and as you see, Target has the black Christmas wrapping paper gift bags. They're just really bringing out the black culture and I'm here for it. So I'm just looking around to see what they got, and I came across this nice gigantic bag and I instantly thought I can hang this up on a wall in a very nice frame. So this is the bag right here. They have so many. It's just a black Santa Claus, and I think that is so nice, and it will be something that will be around forever, and nobody won't be able to tell that it's a gift bag. So here I am in the picture frame section, trying to find a picture frame that I think will go great with this bag. So here I am measuring the bag with the picture frame. And that's all you want to do, especially if you want to do something like this. You want to measure it, find a frame for it, and see what works best with it. So this is just me making sure that it will go, but I'm still not feeling the black frame at all, so I'm going to keep looking. And that's just when I found this gold frame with matting, with a mat. But I would definitely recommend that you find a frame with some matting, whatever you want to call it, in it, because it's going to really change how the picture looks. Not change it, but make it look better. Follow for part 2. So here I am. I got back home with a Christmas bag, and now I'm about to begin making the frame. So I'm just cutting the bag down the sides. I'm using that cardboard that came with the frame as a guide as how big I should cut to make sure that the Santa Claus is in the frame. And I'm just using that as a guide to really clean up the sides and just everything. So that's how it came out. That's the final look of it. And now I'm going to show you how it looks on the wall. I put this in my kitchen and I absolutely love it. Make sure that you tag me if you do it.